Today we are going to learn division of fractions. We have successfully completed addition, subtraction, multiplication of fractions. Now we are going to learn division of fractions. Before going to start a division of fractions, we have to know about the reciprocal. Already we have discussed about reciprocal in the last class. What is meant by reciprocal? Again we will see now. Multiplicative inverse and reciprocal both are same. If one fraction is given like this 2 by 9, then how to find out the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse for this given fraction? Here the numerator is 2 and the denominator is 9. Now we are going to take numerator as 9 and denominator as 2. Then this is called reciprocal of the given fraction. Reciprocal of given fraction. Okay, so how to get reciprocal? Very simple. When we multiply two fractions, it is easy to find out product of numerators and product of denominators. But a division of fractions is not possible. So we are going to use this reciprocal concept in division of fractions. The multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of a number is obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator of the given fraction. Okay, now let us start division of fractions. First we will learn division of whole number by a fraction. Take one example now. 9 divided by 3 by 4. Here 9 is a whole number and 3 by 4 is a fraction. So how can you divide these both? One is a whole number, other one is a fraction. It's a very simple. First convert a whole number into fraction by writing 1 as its denominator. So next 9 by 1. So is there any change between 9 and 9 by 1? No, there is no change. 9 and 9 by 1 both are same. So that if a whole number is given, first convert into fraction by writing 1 as a denominator. And what is the second fraction? 3 by 4. Now write a first fraction as it is 9 by 1 and then here the division becomes multiplication. I said many times there is a relation between multiplication and division. What is that relation? Multiplication and division both are inverse to each other. Both are opposite to each other. So that we are taking here multiplication instead of division, but 3 by 4 becomes as its reciprocal 4 by 3. Okay, now the procedure what we are following in the multiplication of fractions, the same thing we have to follow here for division of fractions also from this step onwards. Now product of numerators, because it is a multiplication now. Product of numerators by product of denominators. Verify for the common factors. Here 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So what are the remaining numerators? 3 and 4. 3 fours are 12 and the denominators 1 and 1. 1 ones are 1. 12 by 1 nothing but simply it is a 12. So our answer is 12. You may have one doubt here why this division becomes a multiplication and why we are going to take 3 by 4 as its reciprocal. Isn't it? So let me clarify your doubt now. For example, I am going to take addition of two numbers 5 plus 4. How much it is? 5 plus 4 is a 9. Okay. Next, I am going to subtract 5 minus 4. Here the 5 minus 4 is 1 directly. So if you don't know how to subtract 4 from 5, we can do it like this also. 5 plus negative of 4 minus of 4. Okay, 5 plus minus of 4. Here actually the sign is minus. Minus becomes as a plus. Actually the number is plus 4. This is nothing but plus 4. It becomes as a minus 4. So here also the answer is 1 only. So this is called additive inverse. Addition we are going to do in the inverse order, reverse order. In the same way, we have to multiply fractions also. For example, so if division is there, 5 divided by 4, it's a simple division. Instead of doing division here, we can use multiplication also. 5 into 4 nothing but, shall we write 4 by 1 here? Yes. So 4 by 1 becomes 1 by 4. So first number we are going to write as it is. Then division becomes as a multiplication. Next one, reciprocal of the second fraction. Here you have to remember that we will take a reciprocal of second fraction only, not for the first fraction. Okay. So take one more example. Now we are going to see division of a whole number by a fraction. Okay. I am taking one more example. 3 divided by 2 by 7. What we have to do first? First of all, convert whole number into fraction by writing 1 as its denominator. So, in the first step, 3 becomes as 3 by 1 and remaining quotient write as it is, the division symbol and 2 by 7. After the division symbol, 2 by 7. Next, write first fraction as it is. Here the division becomes multiplication and 2 by 7 we are going to write its reciprocal as 7 by 2. Now product of numerators like a product of two fractions and product of denominators. Verify for the common factors here. Is there any common factor? No. 3, 7, 2 all are the prime numbers. So 3 7s are 21 and 1 2s are 2. So our answer is 21 by 2. This is a division of whole numbers by a fraction. You have to remember these steps. For dividing a whole number by a fraction, first write the whole number as a fraction and then replace division sign as a multiplication sign and write the reciprocal of the given fraction. Multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. The product of the whole number and the reciprocal of the fraction will be the quotient. Next we will learn division of a fraction by a whole number. So first we are taking fraction and next we are taking whole number here. Let us take one example. 3 by 5 is a fraction divided by 9 and is a whole number here. So same steps we can follow. 3 by 5 write as it is first fraction and division symbol also write as it is. First, here we need to do whole number conversion. Convert whole number into fraction by writing 1 as its denominator. Now, what is the procedure? First fraction write as it is. Instead of division sign, take a multiplication sign, and instead of 9 by 1 second fraction, take a reciprocal 1 by 9. Next, product of numerators by product of denominators. Verify for the common factors. Here 3 and 9 both are having common factors. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. After cancellation, numerators 1 and 1, 1 ones are 1 by 5 and 3 denominators, 5 threes are 15. So our answer is 1 by 15. Cancel out the common factors in the numerators and the denominators of both the fractions that are multiplied. Then only multiply remaining numerators and denominators as numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Let us take one more example for this. Two by 9 is a fraction divided by 10. Okay, 10 is a whole number. Now what we have to do? Write 2 by 9 as it is in the first step. Division symbol also as it is. Then 10 becomes 10 by 1. Whole number becomes fraction by writing 1 in its denominator. In the next step, you have to take a first fraction as it is. Division symbol becomes into and take a reciprocal of a second fraction 10 by 1 as 1 by 10. Now, product of numerators by product of denominators. Verify for the common factors. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Now, multiply the remaining both numerators. 1 into 1 is a 1 and both denominators 9 into 5, 9 fives are 45. So, this is the way to this is the way to divide a fraction by a whole number.